Hi, my name is Leng and she is Jingci. We are from SMJK CHONG. Today, we are going to carry out 4 experiments that are related to water for Petrosains science show. Experiment 1. Water illusion. Do you know how the water can produce illusion? Let us show you. First, you need to prepare water, glass, marker pen, and a piece of paper. Then, you use the marker pen to draw 2 arrows on the paper. Done. When the water was poured into the glass, the arrow will reverse itself. Ta-da! Do you know how does it happen? Let me explain. In fact, we have just demonstrated a physics concept called refraction, the bending of light. When the arrow is moved to a particular distance behind the glass, it looks like it reverses itself. When light passes from one material to another, it can bend or refract. In the experiment that we just completed, light travels from the air, through the glass, through the water, through the back of the glass, and then back through the air, before hitting the arrow. Anytime that light passes from one medium or material into another, it refracts. Just because light bends when it travels through different materials doesn't explain why the arrow reverses itself. To explain this, you must think about the glass of water as if it is a magnifying glass. When light goes through a magnifying glass, the light bends toward the center. Where the light all comes together is called the focal point. But beyond the focal point, the image appears to reverse because the light rays that were bent past each other, and the light that was on the right side is now on the left on the right, which makes the arrow appear to be reversed. Experiment 2, the leak-proof bag. What? Leak-proof bag? Yeah, let me show you how. First, you need to prepare a Ziploc bag, water and color pencils. Okay, then fill the bag 1/2 full with water and then seal the bag closed. Okay, done. Okay, let me ask you a question first. If I try to push one of these color pencils through the bag, will the water leak out? Yes, I think the water will leak out. Okay, let's take a look. Now you can push the color pencil through the bag. Wow, amazing! You can try more than one color pencils. Wow, why the water does not leak out? Let me explain.
Ziploc bags, like other plastics, are made from polymers, which is long chain of molecules. When you poke through the bag, you force the polymers apart, but they quickly press back as much as possible. As they press towards the pencil, they practically seal the hole you made, so the water does not leak out.
Experiment 3. Pepper 3. In this experiment, we need to prepare dish, water, pepper, and dish soap. Now, please help me pour the water into the dish. Okay, done. Okay. Now, please help me spread the pepper across the water surface. Okay, done. Now, put your finger into the water and observe what happens. The pepper don't have any changes. Now, add 1 or 2 drops of dish soap on your fingertips. Put your fingertips again into the water. Wow! Why the pepper shoots to the side? Let me illustrate. As the soap moves into the water and the surface tension changes, the pepper no longer floats on top, but the water molecules still want to keep the surface tension going, so they pull back away from the soap and carry the pepper along with them. Experiment 4. Atmospheric pressure. What? Atmospheric pressure? Yeah. In this experiment, we need to prepare a glass, a note card, and water. Okay. What I need you to do is fill the glass full with water. Okay, done. Now place the note card over the top of the glass and quickly turn the glass upside down. Now carefully let go the note card. No, the water will pour out. Be steady, just trust me. Okay, I try my best. Wow, why the water does not pour out? Let me illustrate. The card stays in place because air is heavier than water, and the card experiences about 15 pounds of force pushing upward by the air and only about 1 pound of force pushing downward from the water. So, the force from the atmospheric pressure holds the card up, and the low pressure zone in the glass prevents the water's weight from pushing the card down.